In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact forms with WPForms. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard because that's where the full setup begins. Once you're logged in, head over to Plugins and then click Add New. This is where you can install new functionality for your site. In the search bar, type in WPForms. When it appears in the plugin results, click Install Now and then activate it. This adds the form builder to your WordPress site so you can start creating contact forms without needing to code anything manually. After the plugin is active, look at the left-hand sidebar in WordPress and go to WP Forms, then click Add New. This opens the form creation screen. Here, you'll first give your form a name, so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple forms for different pages or purposes. Next, browse through the pre-built templates. WP Forms includes a large library of templates which can save you time. If you just want a standard contact form, choose the simple contact form template. If you prefer to build everything yourself, select blank form instead. Once the form builder opens, you can begin customizing the form. The builder uses drag and drop, so it's very visual and beginner friendly. Click any existing field such as name, email, or paragraph text to adjust how it works. This is where you can fine-tune the form to match the information you want visitors to submit. For each field, you can change the label, add placeholder text, or turn on the required option if that field must be completed before someone can submit the form. This is useful for making sure you collect the most important details while keeping the form clear and easy to understand. If you need more fields, simply drag additional elements from the left panel into your form. This makes it easy to expand beyond the basic setup while still keeping everything organized. When your form looks the way you want, click Save in the top right corner. That way your progress is stored before you move on to the notification settings. Next, inside the Form Builder, open the Settings tab and go to Notifications. This section controls where form submissions are sent. Make sure the Send to Email address is set to the correct administrator email address. You can also customize the subject line, sender name, and message format here so your incoming notifications are easier to recognize and manage. Finally, embed the form on your page. This is the step that places your finished contact form where visitors can actually use it on your website. And that's how to create a contact form with WP Forms in WordPress.